Mastering homophones. Boost your vocabulary skills. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, specifically homophones. Now, these are not your everyday, run-of-the-mill homophones. No, we are stepping it up a notch with some advanced homophones and practicing them in context. Plus, we're going to discuss your assessment and feedback on the advanced homophone practice. Let's start with a quick recap. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and may or may not be spelled differently. For example, right and right, or see and see. Today we'll be focusing on more complex homophones to help advance your English language skills. It's not enough just to know your homophones. It's important to understand how they work in context. That means how they fit into a sentence or a conversation. Understanding context can greatly help you in determining which homophone is being used. Let's try some examples. He needs to alter his clothes because they don't fit him right. She saw the altar at the church adorned with flowers. The words altar and alter sound the same, but the context tells us what each one means. It's time to put your knowledge to the test. Here's an advanced practice for you. Try to figure out the correct homophones in this context. He gave a blank compliment about my outfit. The blank principal of the school announced a new rule. The scientist conducted an blank experiment in the laboratory. Try to use the context to guide your answers. Assessment is a key part of learning. It's not about getting it right or wrong, but about understanding where you stand and how you can improve. For these exercises, you can assess yourself by checking your answers with the provided answer key at the end of the video. But don't stop there. Use your mistakes as a learning opportunity. If you picked the wrong homophone, try to understand why. Was the context confusing? Or are you unfamiliar with the meaning of one of the homophones? Reflecting on these questions will improve your understanding and use of homophones. That's it for today's advanced homophone practice, folks. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take, every mistake you make is bringing you closer to mastery. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and until next time, happy learning!